Blood pressure norms change as you age. What was dangerous at 30 might be your normal at 65. Which zone are you in? Today we are breaking down the age-based blood pressure chart for men. Many guys over 50 panic over numbers that are actually acceptable, or worse, ignore a silent danger. Before we look at the chart, remember, the first number, systolic, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. The second number, diastolic, measures the pressure when your heart rests. As you age, your blood vessels naturally lose elasticity, which is why that top number creeps up. Let's look at the numbers. If you are between 50 and 59 years old, the ideal pressure is still below 120/80. However, readings up to 130/85 are considered a normal, safe range for this age group. For men between 60 and 69, arteries are stiffer. Here, readings anywhere from 130/80 up to 140/90 can be considered typical. Your doctor might not push aggressive treatment if you stay in this range, but this is the yellow zone. It is time to watch your diet. If you are 70 or older, readings around 140/90 are often considered acceptable to prevent dizziness and the risk of falling. Now, for the danger zone. At any age, if your blood pressure regularly sits above 140/90, you are at risk. And if it spikes over 180/120, that is a hypertensive crisis. Seek emergency medical care immediately to prevent a stroke. How do you keep your numbers in the green zone without extra pills? First, cut sodium to under 1,500 milligrams a day. Second, increase potassium by eating spinach, avocados, and bananas. Potassium naturally relaxes blood vessel walls. Subscribe to Health Metrics Daily for more survival guides for men. If your blood pressure spikes and you do not have medication nearby, in the next video, I will show you one pressure point on your wrist that helps lower blood pressure in 60 seconds. Click the video on your screen now.